Hello students, welcome to the IT class. In today's lecture, we are going to study about a very important feature of any word processing software that is find and replace. So we are going to use this feature practically also, but first let us understand what is find and replace. Students, find and replace is a very effective lookup and search tool which is provided by any word processing software. We have two things in this. One is find, which is used for only searching for a particular word, whereas replace is just an extension of find, and it is used to add on to the features of find by also replacing that searched word with some other word whichever the user wants. Now there are certain things in find and replace like match case. These are certain additional options provided by find and replace. What do you understand by match case? Suppose you have provided a search word as flyover. So you can see flyover, everything is in small letters. If you check this box match case, then the word processing software will be looking only for words which exactly match the case. They will not look for such words. Or so any of these words will not be looked or not be searched. It will only search for those words which match the case over here. Next is there is another option, find whole words only. Whole words only means sometimes you need to search for a word in. But in can be a part of any other word like finding, grinding, in. So you can see that in is a part of these words. So I am not looking for these words. I don't want to search for these words. Rather, I want to search for words which only are in or capital in, any of these values until and unless you have also checked on match case. So when it comes to find whole words only, it is going to look for words which only contain these two letters. Understood? And if suppose you have matched both, if you have checked both these boxes, then it is going to remove these options and only going to find whole word and word which matches this case. There are other options also which we would be seeing practically now.
So let's see how we can use find and replace option over here. Now for find and replace, we have some shortcut keys also. So we will see them. The shortcut key for find is Control F and the shortcut key for replace is Control H. So the shortcut key for find is Control plus F and the shortcut key for replace is Control H. Let's see how these work. And over here you can see some options, that is in the home tab you go to the right end in the editing group, you will find the find and replace option. When we click on find, you will get a left hand side panel, which is your navigation panel. And sometimes you may even get a dialog box, but in the latest version of Windows, the dialog box feature has been removed. So it is always advisable to work with the latest versions. So over here, if you want to look for a particular word like schools, and you can press enter and it will highlight the paragraph or the sentence where schools word is found. And you can see it is highlighted over here. So this navigation panel enables us to look for a particular word. And here you can also see a button. This button shows the previous results and this button shows the next result. So let us try to find some more words. Maybe I can search for computer. So it is there and there are 3 different occurrences of computer over here. So if I click on this button, this will highlight the next word. As you can see over here, if I click on this button, it is going to highlight the next word. And if you click on this button, it is going to highlight the previous occurrence of the word. So this is how to find. Now we will see the replace option. So for this, we will go to the editing group of home tab, click on replace, and this gives us this dialog box. And in this you can also see the traditional find tab, which usually used to occur in the previous versions of MS Word, that is MS Office. In previous versions we didn't get the navigation panel, rather the find tab would be activated on clicking find. So here you can search for a particular word, and if you go to replace, you can even replace this word by something. So suppose I want to replace it with PC. What I'll do is first I'll click on find next. When I click on find next, it is going to highlight the word and it will ask me whether I want to replace it or not. So if I click on replace, that word would be replaced. Now there is an option replace all. If I click this replace all the occurrence of a word will be replaced by this replace with suggestion. So you can see wherever computer was there, now you will be able to see PC over there. If we expand this dialog box a little, then you will find some more options over here. Let us see those options. We won't be seeing all the options, rather a few options. Now I've already explained match case to you. So if I click on match case, then it is going to only look for those words which exactly match this case. So there is no more word which contains computer. So let us try to find a word internet. Now you can see that the word internet over here appears in small letters. If I click on find next, it will ask whether you want to start searching from the beginning. You click OK. There are no results, but you can see internet over here. The only thing is it starts with a capital letter. So in that case, you will have to uncheck this box. You click on find next and it will highlight internet. Similarly, we have find whole words. So suppose I'm going to look for some other word like to. And if I don't use this find whole words, if I click on find next, it is going to highlight all those words which contain to. You can see over here, topic contains to. If I click on find whole words, it is going to only look for those words where to appears as a single word. So this will not highlight topic anymore because we are looking for whole words. Now there are other options also which would be explained in the subsequent videos. So these other options are not that necessary over here. There is one very important utility. I'll tell you that is format. Suppose I want to look for a particular word PC and I want to provide it a particular format. So I will place my cursor in replace with and I'll go to format, font option. Now in this I'm going to select a particular font and I will be replacing all occurrences of the word PC with the word PC itself but with a different font. So I'm changing the font size over here and I'm changing the font color also. So this is the format which I want to apply. I click on OK and now you can see that it will replace the word PC with the formatted version of the word PC. So if I can use replace also, I can use replace all also. So I'll click on find next. So it finds the word PC and I can click on replace all. So you can see that it replaced the word with the formatted version of it. I click on replace all. It is going to replace all the occurrences of the word PC with this. Now the thing is I had clicked on find whole words only, hence this word was not highlighted. So this was how to use find and replace, a very simple version of find and replace option. Let us try to work with LibreOffice find and replace. I'm going to close this. I'll go to start and here I will search for LibreOffice. Now the thing is I had uninstalled LibreOffice from my system, but LibreOffice is still available on my system as a portable folder. So I'm going to open it from there. So here it is LibreOffice. Now I'm going to select this recent file. One advantage of LibreOffice is that it contains all the recently accessed files in this location. It displays it right in the beginning so that you can only click on that and open that file. Now I'll close MS Word. So now we have the same thing. For this, we will go to the edit menu and here you will find the same thing, Control F, find and replace, Control H. So I'll click on find and we'll wait for some time. So here you can see that a file panel opens at the bottom. So here you can type anything. So suppose I'm going to, if you want, you can expand this or you can just keep it this way. So I'm just going to type a word, say imagine, and I'll press enter and you can see that the word imagine has been highlighted over here. You can click on find all to highlight all occurrences of this word imagine in the document. I have a word virtual, so I'm going to highlight all the words, find all the words virtual in this entire document. So you can see there are 4 different occurrences of the word virtual. Same way I have the match case option here also. So this is match case. If you click on match case, it is going to exactly look for that version which matches the case. Suppose I am typing virtual like this. I have typed virtual in this way and now I am going to click match case and now I will try to find the options. For finding the options also you can see find previous and find next. If you click on find next, you will see search key not found, because this document, it mainly contains virtual written in small letters. And if you want to replace any word, you can click on Ctrl H, or we will go to the file edit menu and we'll select find and replace. So it gives us a find and replace dialog box over here. So same way you can use whole words only, match case, and you can replace it with some word. Suppose I want to replace this. Now you already know how to replace a word, so I will not teach you that because it is the same as MS Word only. Only thing, how to apply some attributes over here. So you have selected virtual over here. I want to replace this word virtual with a formatted version of the word virtual. So I will select this word, go to the format button, and from here I can select any format. So for this I need to first go to font. So I can select any font from here. You can see its preview down there. This is the format, and I will choose some style for it, bold, and I'll increase its size. So I've increased its size, and you don't need any other font over here. So after this I need to give font effects. So I'll go to font effects. From here I can select the font color. I can also provide some font effects like capitals, and I can also give some embossed effect to it, and I can click on OK. And now I'm going to press replace all, and so in the background you can see that all occurrences of the word virtual has been replaced by its formatted version. So this is how we can do it. There are other options also, but we are not going to see those options right now. We will be seeing these options in the later classes. So that was all in find and replace.
So students, that was all in today's class. We have seen how to use find and replace in MS Word also and in LibreOffice Writer also. In the next class, we will be seeing some other topic which would be equally interesting. So I take your leave now. Thank you.